from days that bent you sideways, nights that wouldn't let you sleep. The kind of hurt that doesn't shout loud, just cuts in quiet, cuts in deep. But you kept walking, kept your footing, even when the ground gave way. Every scar just proof you're standing, not a reason that you stayed. You learn how light comes back around, even after burning down. Now you're laughing in a new place, windows open, breathing free. Brand new walls, but the same heartbeat, learning who you get to be. Life still hums its simple music, you finally hear it again. Yeah, summer still makes noise, and y'all listening. Waiting on a fox or bird, frozen moments, quiet magic, saying more than words. You see the beauty most walk past, small wings, eyes that shine. You frame the world the way you want it, one brave second at a time. You don't chase, you just let it come. That's how you've always won. In a new place, sunlight falling on your skin. Every picture tells a secret of the strength you're living in. Life still hums its simple music, you finally hear it again. Yeah, summer still makes noise, and you're footpath, long walks going nowhere fast. Bees in the air, the grass alive, all those summer sounds at last. We didn't know we were surviving, just thought we were killing time. Funny how the quiet moments end up saving your life. You don't know the past a thing, you've already paid it all. Now you're home in your own way, feet on ground, heart unchained. Every breath a small rebellion against the hurt you overcame. Life still hums its simple music.